Welcome to the Lexis Advance overview video. Click in the ID box and enter your Lexis Advance ID. Click in the password box and enter your Lexis Advance password. You can click on the Remember Me checkbox so Lexis Advance remembers your sign-in details. If you forget your Lexis Advance user ID or password, you can simply click on the Forgot Your ID or Password link. The Lexis Advance homepage has three main sections. At the top is the black navigation bar. This navigation bar stays at the top of the screen and enables you to switch between research and practical guidance, browse publications, and control your account administration functions. The red search box is where you enter your search terms using search terms and connectors, or like Google, just search terms. Most of the screen contains the workspace area, which has several pods to control workflow functions such as history, favorites, alerts and notifications. Further down, you will see folders, latest updates and support information. Lexis Advance has made it simple and lets you begin your legal research quickly. Simply enter your search terms in the red search box as either a natural language search like you do using Google, or you can use connectors such as AND, OR, NOT, or W/P. The search box has a word wheel, which shows you search terms as you type your terms, in which you can select. The default setting is to search all of your subscriptions together, which can highlight resources you could miss if you searched a particular content type or publication. It also means you may not have to do so many searches. To search specific publications, content types, or resources related to particular jurisdictions, you can restrict your search using pre-filters. Click on the Filters button next to the search box to restrict your results. You can also use the Advanced Search form to search cases, legislation, analytical materials, or forms and precedents. Each form allows you to enter specific search terms using relative search fields. A convenient search tips option is also available. This opens a help screen with information on searching, using terms and connectors, and more. You can narrow your results using the post-filter criteria on the left hand of the results screen. You can add additional terms using the Search Within Results box, or narrow by content type, jurisdiction, court, date, publication, or legal topic. Simply by selecting a few options, you can narrow your results to a manageable number. Use the black navigation bar at the top to navigate around the platform or manage your account and workflow functions, such as managing folders, alerts, or changing your settings such as your user ID or password. Click on the Lexis Advance Specific Research button to return to the home page. The down arrow next to it enables you to switch between the research and practical guidance platforms. The next drop-down menu is the Browse menu. You can browse your content by publication name, relevant jurisdiction or topic, or browse case-based cases by catchwords. These are easy ways to find materials if you are not sure where to start. The next menu is the Matter menu, which enables you to assign your research and results to a matter. Using this feature is optional. The History menu lets you quickly see the 5 most recent search strings or documents you have accessed. Or you can click on the View All options to see your searches or documents viewed over the last 90 days. This is very handy when you need to return to research you have previously done. Finally, we have the More menu. This is where you can manage folders, alerts, notifications, settings, leave feedback, or find user guides and help information. You can change your user ID or password using My Lexis. Administrator level users can also log into LexisNexis Account Center from here.